I welcome you all to my channel. Here I am with my second topic in my morning assembly quote series. And my today's thought is, if you take care of your single minute, then hours and days will take care of you. Yes, I repeat, if you take care of your single minute, then hours and days will take care of you. Yes, my dear children, it's now. It's now or never. What is important is today, not tomorrow. Never leave till tomorrow what you can do today. If you want to do any work, just make the beginning. Never wait for tomorrow. Because it might happen that tomorrow you will be busy with some other work. Or it might happen that you will be distracted by some other work. Or it might happen that you will lose your enthusiasm. So, never leave any work till tomorrow. What you do it just now. What you want to begin, just make the beginning. Another thing, what is that matter is your attitude. Your attitude towards your goal, your attitude towards your life, and your attitudes towards your work. If you work with your positive attitude, then no one can resist you from your success. Suppose you are entered in a dark room. So instead of complaining about the darkness of that room, if you bring a candle and light it, the darkness will vanish and you can enjoy the light. So never lose hope. Here I want to share a story with you. Here in India, one shoe company was there, and that shoe company wanted to expand its business. In where? Expand its business in Africa. So what he did, he made two different teams and he sent them for the survey there. Both the team visited the remote areas of the Africa. After doing surveys for 2 months, both the teams submitted their report. The first team submitted the report and told there is no market there as no one wears shoes there. But what the second team told? There was a huge potential for the business there as no one wears shoes there. If taught them how to wear the shoes and they will accustomed with by wearing the shoes, we are going to have a huge demand of shoes there. So this is where the attitude matters. Here I want to quote a line from a Shiv Kheras that winners doesn't do different thing. Winners doesn't do different thing. What they do the things differently. पृथ्वी पर कोई भी व्यक्ति ऐसा नहीं है जिसको समस्या नहीं, और पृथ्वी पर कोई भी समस्या ऐसी नहीं है जिसका कोई समाधान ना हो। समस्या के बारे में सोचने से बहाने मिलते हैं, समाधान के बारे में सोचने से रास्ते मिलते हैं। पंछी ने जब जब किया पंखों पर विश्वास, पंछी ने जब जब किया पंखों पर विश्वास, दूर दूर तक हो गया उसका ही आकाश, दूर दूर तक हो गया उसका ही आकाश। Thank you and have a nice day. So if you like my thought and if you want to see more thoughts like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Once more, do visit my channel again.